There are times when we want to sell our products like ebooks or paintings through our online store, but we don't have a website or blog to do that. We will see how to do this in this video. So in this video, we will see how to create your own free online store to sell your products online using InstaMojo. First, we will see what exactly is InstaMojo and what features or benefits they offer. Then we get into a detailed walkthrough of how to create your free account and then a demo of how to set up your own online store so you can start selling your products. InstaMojo offers file hosting for free, and all you need to do is just upload your files to their site and use their embed link to send to your customers or post it on Twitter, Facebook or WhatsApp. Let's take some action now and see how to sign up. Go to the link given in the description, and if you use this special link, by the way, when you're signing up, InstaMojo gives you a bonus 500 rupees after you make your first sale. So once you sign up, after you pass through your step 1 where you give in your phone number and verify it with their OTP, on step 2 screen you will see a question called what type of business are you. Just choose the relevant one as per your status. Like I am an individual here, so I would select individual and click on next. And in step 3, just give them an estimate of your annual turnover and when your business has started, and then select the number of employees you have. In my case, I have chosen just self-employed, and then if you have a website, you can just say yes and then give them that detail, or just say no if you don't have any website and click on next. Under step 4, you'll have to enter your PAN number and the name as on your PAN card, your address along with state and PIN code, and then if you have any GST number you could enter that here or skip it because that's an optional field. And then select what kind of goods you want to sell. Is it a service, is it a product or anything else? Then click on next. Under the step 5, you just select the username that you want your URL to be, your online store. So this will be the payment link that you will be sending it to your customers. You can either choose your own username by typing into this field or choose one of these suggested usernames from below, and then make sure you select this checkbox to say do you want a free online store. So that creates the free online store on InstaMojo's website. Click on next, and the last step is about the bank account numbers. Just input your details here along with the IFSC code, and do read the terms of service and then click on accept. That creates your account. Once the account is created, complete the KYC, the Know Your Customer steps, by uploading documents for address and ID proof to get your account verified. And then that creates your online store so you could start selling. It's that simple. Just a word of caution. Remember that without getting your account verified by uploading the KYC requested documents, your account might have some monthly limit of I guess 10,000 rupees and some limitations on your admin dashboard. So let me now walk you through the settings pages and all the available features. So this is the dashboard that shows you the recent transactions and past sales. This is the payment links page where you can send this link to your customers to receive any kind of payments. Let me show you how it works. Just click on this send link button to share it with whoever you want to request payment from. You can see a preview of how it looks by clicking on this preview button, or send the link by WhatsApp, or if you want to put a button or the link on your website, you could choose this, or just simply as a QR code for others to scan and pay directly to you. Next is the products and store page. This is where we can see all our physical and digital products when we add it to our online store. But first, let me now show you how to embed link into your blog if you have one. I have integrated a simple link onto my WordPress blog. Now this link is available from my InstaMojo settings page. I took it and simply pasted it into my blog page, and that takes us to my very own online store with InstaMojo, where my customers can just key in the details and make the payment or download the digital goods like ebooks for free. I can also sell this for a price. So this way you can embed your link or button in your blog, or even just send the link through WhatsApp or SMS to your clients. Once a successful transaction is done, the details of the transactions reflect within your dashboard. Let me now show you how to add a product to your online store. Once you create your account, go to your online store from your profile menu, click on Add Product, choose the type of product you want to sell, And if it's a digital product, upload your file, preferably a single file or a zip file if you have multiple files. And then you can leave this blank if you are not registered with GST, or key these in if you have these codes. Then input the cost, or check this box if you're selling it for free, or if you want your customers to pay any amount as you like. Then choose this option. And then add product description and images. Just make sure they are good quality images. Choose these advanced settings and SEO settings, which are all optional, and click on add product to store button to list your products to your online store. So that's how you set up your store to sell digital goods on InstaMojo. Let's now see their pricing structure in detail. There are no setup fees, no maintenance charges, nor any minimum commitment to get started. You pay their fees only when you sell, and you can get started in just 2 to 5 minutes. They have a quick and reliable transfers where you can automatically receive money in your bank account within 3 days of your sale date. As you can see from the screen here, they charge 0 transaction charges for collecting payments from your buyers if you want to use their NEFT, the bank online transfer facilities. And the charges for collecting credit or debit card payments is just 2% per transaction plus 3 rupees as a convenience fee at the time of making this video. They also enable wallets, UPI gateways and EMI options with some top banks through their payment gateways. There is also a fee calculator tool if you want to find what exactly you will earn from each transaction. Now what about refunds? When I started selling online, I wondered what if a customer requests a refund that I need to initiate and give them their money back. As per their website, refunds are possible with InstaMojo. That's what they say. I have not tried that myself, but sellers can issue a full or partial refund for any of the payments received by him or her within 180 days of the date of transaction. The company will then execute the refund within 24 hours of the case creation. However, the final credit of the amount in the buyer's account is subject to the acquiring and issuing bank's internal policies, and that may take several days to credit back to the account. So just remember that. Now here's a pro tip. If at all you don't want to bear the convenience fees when you sell something, just disable the convenience fee option in your account settings. So what this does is your buyers will bear that nominal fee at the time of payment, not you. This is usual with some merchants where the customers pay extra for certain kind of payments or some extra benefits that they get. Thus, you receive your full retail price for your product. You can also have customers pay you with InstaMojo NEFT and have no convenience fees charged at all for anyone, neither for you nor for them. If at all you want to sell physical goods, you can set up even that and your shipping options from here using their logistics service provider. You can also read through their detailed FAQs section or just call them up if you want any help in this area. Next is the API and plugins page, which is for people who are integrating InstaMojo with Android or iOS mobile apps. So I'll skip that section for now. And then the App Store is a place where we can subscribe to some pretty good add-ons from InstaMojo to enhance our experience and our customers' experience. Like we can start our own affiliate network. So if you have a good customer who wants to help you in selling your product, you can offer them a part of your earnings as referral commission. This is really a great feature to make your product go viral in sales through word of mouth marketing. Then you have other apps like that you can use to integrate with your email providers like MailChimp, or payment retry options, SMS alerts, generate professional invoices for payments you receive, send payment reminder emails, create business cards, and much more. There are some apps that require credits that you can also buy from them for a cost. Next comes our sales and customers, payouts, spends and analytics sections. All these here's where you can see all your sales and customer details and export them as needed into CSV format to your computer if needed. Now all said and done, here's a word of caution. Always refrain from selling others' copyrighted works and be aware of copyrights rules and regulations. Please also be prudent and don't buy from anyone if the seller doesn't seem to be the author. Finally, here's a question for you. So based on what you just saw, what support do you need to get started in selling your creations online? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If so, please hit on the subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, and share this video with your brothers, sisters, colleagues and friends. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. There are times when we want to sell our products like paintings or ebooks online with a Hope you can see this. Hope this is coming in the camera. All the sentences jumbled. Thank you. There are times when we want to say, who is coming at this time? It's online. There are online products like paintings or ebooks. Oh my god, so many trains at this time. In our online, there are times when you like